Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the importance of salt in a ketogenic diet and how to get more salt in your diet when you're on a keto plan, okay? Now, I know you probably heard that salt is really bad, it's going to increase your blood pressure. Not actually true. If you're doing the ketogenic plan that I'm recommending, you're consuming a tremendous amount of vegetables with a lot of potassium, or you're supplementing with electrolyte has more potassium. So when you do that, a lot of times you're going to be deficient in sodium, okay? Because here's the thing, if you're on a high carb diet, you're going to have higher amounts of insulin, and you're going to have more water retention and more sodium retention. When you're on a low carb, low insulin, you're going to release the excess water and you're going to release more sodium, okay? So the symptoms of low sodium would be constipation, heart palpitations, headache, fatigue, weakness, even cramps in the leg, okay? So those are some things that you can happen as you transition to a keto plan as well, and you have to remember to consume more salt. In fact, the amount of salt that you need to consume on a keto plan is about a teaspoon a day. If you're on a high carb diet, you should only consume about 1/4 of a teaspoon per day, because you're going to retain it, okay? So here's some good ideas to increase more salt. Himalayan salt, put it on your vegetables, put it on your food, put it on your eggs. This is the best. It's pure, it has 74 minerals. Don't use table salt, use Himalayan pink salt. Salty cheese, feta cheese, olives, salted butter, salted nuts, hummus, pickled vegetables. Those are just a quick list of some things that I do, but there's many more. But the point is that you need to increase more sodium on this plan. All right, thanks for watching, and put your comments below. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.